What's going on, B3 family? It's your boy, B3 Boss. Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a special one for you. I'm gonna be unboxing a BM3 Flex Fuel Kit for my A90 Supra, as well as covering the installation process. I teamed up with my boys here at 5 Performance. I'm actually at the shop now, and I got a special secret, but not so much a secret, installation / upgrade coming tomorrow. This is gonna be a 2-day process video, but we got an E50 tune coming in, custom tune just for my baby. Super excited. Let's jump right into this video. See you on the other side. Ooh. Stop trying to look at my bills, bro, unless you're gonna pay them. But here we have it. Some cables that I have no idea what they do. Harnesses and flex fuels and fuel flexing. This looks super important. Kind of hard to do this with one hand. Shout out to the little popcorn styrofoams. And this looks like the cover. BM3 on there. That's it, boys. Nice and dirty. Here is arguably the most important piece of the Flex Fuel Kit. As you can see, I went BM3, but you can get anything for these B58s. Big ass wang. I'm not quite there yet, but this thing's crazy. MK4, love to see it. Shout out to them boys. Here is my baby, dirty as can be, but that's okay. We're not here to look pretty. We're actually gonna get even dirtier installing. The day of dirty Supras has arrived, but it's all right, because we'll all gap all of you guys. Kevin, after flex fuel and custom tune, I should be pushing what, like 900?
What?
I'm joking, I'm joking. So the bay is being wrapped up and the interior needs to get plugged in and dressed up as well. I hate seeing my car like that, but it must be done. If you want more power, it must be done. Yeah! All right, guys, so they are done with the engine bay and dressed it up for the most part. They just gotta do the interior side panel on the passenger side, which I'm gonna let them work on that. Then start her up, make sure everything is good to go. Injections are all set. Tomorrow we come back and get back on that dyno. All right, guys, so letting the team rock, let them do their thing. Again, they're on the tedious end of it as far as installing a BM3 Flex Fuel Kit or any Flex Fuel Kit. You know, again, we're getting into that passenger side panel can be a pain in the but I just thought I'd show some face, man. Just let you guys know again, I appreciate you guys watching this video. I'm excited for the second day or day 2. I'll be getting a dyno and custom E50 tune. I'll actually be getting it from the world record holder. He actually owns 2 world records for B58. His name is Sameh. Put a link or somewhere down in the description so you guys can check him out. He's amazing at what he does. So again, between the dyno, some street testing, and Sameh's custom tune for my vehicle, you guys are gonna see we're gonna be pushing some solid power now, finally, on the dyno and just real street power. Not that I'm gonna race anybody. Yeah, so while I'm waiting, very similar to the last video actually, Elwood, sponsor me, bro. These crop tees are everything. You know, I got my little Dickies on, Berkeys, nothing too crazy, just came to be cozy with my boys, get my baby taken care of. I'm excited to get this E50 tune tomorrow. Agave Jake, being annoying, wants to race so damn bad. We can race now, bro, what's up? I'll see you soon, maybe this weekend, we'll see what's up. We're almost done with this part of the video, guys. Just gonna let them wrap up. We'll do a startup, make sure everything's running correctly. Tomorrow I'll come in with about a half a tank, get E50 put in, get on that dyno, and then get me a custom tune on the spot. Then you guys will see making me really push some power. Also, I do have an announcement to make. Right now I'm on the build phase, right? Building out my car, and again, with getting an E50 tune, I'm pretty much comfortably where I'm gonna wanna take my car to for now. So I will be starting a new series, but I'll get you guys more details on that.
Yeah, boy.
All right, guys, so we are completely gutted in here, but I know my team's gonna take care of me and dress this back up. But again, this is the tedious part of Flex Fuel Kits, getting in that passenger side panel there. You wanna race, bro? Think I won't snipe you? Doing a quick key check. Are you gonna start it? Just hold it down.
Halfway.
Halfway, okay.
Then it's a 10%. Normal gas is 10%. That's why you see 10%. One.
Gotcha.
That's it.
Perfect.
Done.
All right, guys, so we are all set, did our custom ROM check, and we are cleared. So we're gonna button this thing up, and then tomorrow we come back and actually get our custom tune. Super excited. Don't mind my bear for my dad. Shout out to Little Bellies for helping me and my lady get my baby born, man. Shout out to my son Benji. We are almost wrapped up here, guys, and then we'll tune in tomorrow for the actual dyno and E50 custom tune from Sameh. Engine bay is completely wrapped up and buttoned up. You can kind of see way back here where it's connected, but again, we are dressed as stock, right? Just a little intake, that's all we got. And there you have it, boys. Hard to see, but we are buttoned up completely, and you never know what I have. As far as I know, I'm stock. We are wrapped up here for day one. I'll catch you guys day two.
Day two.
All right, guys, it's day two. The birds are chirping for real, but we are at Shell, getting the baby halfway full for this E50 tune. It is not the best looking day. However, we are gonna make the most of it. Just keep an eye on this. I'm thinking about like 18, 19 bucks should do me right. Shout out to the news and the vegetables. 1890. We'll rock with that, see how we look. All right, guys, moment of truth. Little quick startup from in the car. Looks like I may have gone a tad bit overboard. So I need to get that to about 50%, but between the dyno and kind of running over to 5 Performance, that should help me out with chunking some of that down so we can be at a nice 50 split. All right, boys, we are at the shop. And what the hell is this, bro? I know we don't got an imposter out here. Nah, I'm kidding. Shout out to the yellow gang, Nitro Yellow boys. Love to see it. About to prep my car back at 5 Performance. About to go over to the dyno. All right, guys, we're back at 5 Performance. Just wanted to say what's up, man. Thank you guys for making it this far into the video. So we're on day two, ready to rock and roll. Jose's here, prepping my vehicle currently. We're about to take it over to the dyno across the street. Just want to make sure we're all set to go. And then from there, we'll see where I'm at currently. And then we'll get our custom tune from Sameh. I'll get his description or his tag or @ or handle in the description somewhere or on the screen. We'll figure it out. However, I'm excited, guys. I don't know exactly how much of the footage I'll be able to get, as I just had a baby. Baby Benjamin is here. So I'm on dad duties, but again, I will try to record as much as I can. Might have to run back to the house and then come back and see what else I can get for you guys. At the end of the day, you will see the dyno numbers and you'll see that I am going to be pushing some power. Let's rock, guys. She is on, about to get strapped up. She is strapped up and ready to go. See what kind of power we can get out of her today. Last time you let me down, but I know we've been through some training now, so.
A few minutes later.
Looks like we got a wild Jake here, ready to race. Check out my playbook so he can know how to beat me, but it's not happening. So first pull, guys, 418 and 480 torque. Let me get this on the screen for you guys. I'll pop some images, hopefully. Might be hard to see that. Come on, low HD. quality LED screen. But that was the first pull. I'm excited to see what we come with. This is just my baseline, so we haven't even put any E50 or ethanol, I should say, at all yet. But let's see what that's gonna turn out. We did our baseline pulls off pump, and now we are filling up with our ethanol. That was our second E50 pull, and might be hard to see, but we're climbing a little bit, about 480 to the wheel and 565 torque. I think we're gonna get another log or two in. Hopefully we can climb up to that 500 mark. Blackout. All right, guys, so mission has been completed. Let's recap these last 2 days. So day one, I had a BM3 Flex Fuel Kit installed, made sure my custom ROM was working. So here on my steering wheel, I am able to see my exact ethanol percentage. Basically, I'm running an E50 as that is the max that my vehicle can handle with a stock build, right? I don't have a bigger turbo. I don't have a different transmission. I am running a from factory, basically engine build, right? There's no extras to it besides, you know, of course, my MST intake. I'm running a downpipe and a single exit exhaust. And day two, we teamed back up with 5 Performance and went across the street to my buddy Jimmy's shop and got on his dyno. My baseline again was about 418, right? So that's just running an off-the-shelf tune. And then now that I'm on E50, and if I'm being honest, we actually only got it up to about E47, and we got 500 horsepower to the wheels and about 606 torque, which is honestly, it completely woke the car up. It feels like an entirely new vehicle, man. I am super excited to start hitting these car shows and showing off this build that we've worked so hard and, you know, put together between myself and you guys, man. You guys have been a part of the journey the whole time. Shout out to you guys. So again, BM3 Flex Fuel Kit is on. We're at 500 horsepower to the wheels, guys. Man, what's next? The world may never know. But for now, I'm signing out. I appreciate you guys watching this video. Let me know down in the comments if you have any questions or concerns. Appreciate you guys. And don't forget, like, subscribe, comment, share, join the Be Free family, bro. It's game, bro. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one.